Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, both devices on the same Wi-Fi or your phone acting as a hotspot. Once done, install Zapya on Android and the Zapya PC client and grant storage and location permissions so transfers work. Next, open Zapya on both devices. On Android tap Send, on PC choose Receive. Make sure airplane mode is off and Bluetooth is enabled if prompted. This gets you into the app screens, where device discovery begins, and prepares you to create a connection. You now create or join a group to establish a link. On Android choose Send, select Files and Create Group, or tap Search to scan for the PC. On the PC client, click Connect and either scan the Android QR code or accept the incoming join request. This authenticates the session. If automatic discovery fails, switch the phone to hotspot mode and connect the PC to that SSID, then retry. Making a manual connection ensures both devices share the same local network for file transfer. You finish by selecting Files on Android, tapping Send, and choosing the PC as the target. Watch the transfer progress and accept on the PC when prompted. Files land in the Zapya folder or any path you selected. Verify file integrity after transfer. If the connection stalls, restart both apps and devices, disable VPNs or strict firewalls, and try hotspot mode. One key tip: temporarily turn off PC firewall or add Zapya as allowed. This resolves most blocked discovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.